Mr. Chris today with another science brain gain experiment. And what we're going to be doing today is making geodes. And what a geode is it's a little crystal formed rock, but today we're going to be making it out of pipe cleaners. So what you need is some water, and we've already put some in this kettle here, and we're going to use this burner to make it boil. You need your adult supervision, your parents or guardian to help you boil the water. And we sent home with you some borax in a bag. And what you're going to do is you're going to mix the borax with the water and mix it until it's foggy and the borax isn't sitting on the bottom. You need a foggy solution. And after that, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to twist it into a spiral, however big you want to make it. And it can be any shape, or you can just put it in there, fold it in half, whatever you want. But I'm going to twist it like this, and then you just drop it in the water after it starts boiling. And you can add, if you have food coloring at home, you can add 10 to 20 drops of food coloring, and that will make your geode turn a different color instead of just white crystals. And when it's done boiling, we will come back and show you this next step, but I'm going to go ahead and explain it. So you're going to need a pen or a skewer or anything that's like long and can fit over the top of a cup like this, and you need any kind of cup. Today we have this glass cup and this pen, and what you're going to do, you're going to put your string of some sort on your pen like this, and you're going to tie your geode to your string and sit it down in the water, but don't let it touch the bottom. And you can tape the string to the side, you can use the pen to hold it, whatever you want to do, but you're not going to let your geode touch the bottom. And it needs to soak in the water in the cup for somewhere between 5 hours and overnight. So we're going to let this water boil, and I'm going to go ahead and we'll add our food coloring. Okay. So now our water is blue, and you're going to take your borax now. You're just going to mix it in with it and let it boil. So take the borax we provided you in your Ziploc bag, put it in, and stir it up. So the borax is sitting on the bottom right now. You want to stir it so the borax doesn't stick to the bottom. And after this boils, we'll come back and show you guys our geode, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we're back with the results of our geodes. My water's still boiling, so I'm going to turn it off. Mr. Tyler's going to get in here for us and look at this. There's the two geodes. I added another one just because. So what I'm going to do is I went and got this spoon that has the drain holes in it, and I got this measuring cup. I'm just going to scoop out one of my geodes and drop it down in here. And you can see it turn that white thing blue with that food coloring. And then I'm going to take the pot, and be careful because the water's really hot, and easily pour just a little bit of water, maybe a cup, in there like this, maybe a little more. Cup and a half. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your cup that you went and got. You could even use this and leave it in here. Whatever you want to use. I got this glass cup, and just pour your water in there like that. Okay? You're going to get your geode out. It's hot, be careful. Get your geode out and lay them down. And what you're going to do, you're going to take a piece of the string that you've taped on there or tied on there, whatever you want to, however you've put it on the cup. And you're going to tie your geode to that string. Like that. And you're going to take your pen or your stick or whatever you've got, just to use it to balance the geode over the water. And don't let it touch, oops, just so it doesn't touch the bottom of the cup, but it's soaking down in the cup. So like that. As you can see, it's floating there. And you got to leave it in there anywhere between 5 hours to overnight. I would say between 5 and 8 hours is pretty good. And when ours is finished and hopefully has crystals on it, we will come back and show you guys the finished product. And remember that science is not always perfect, so if it doesn't happen, if you don't form crystals, you can just try again, and that's why I put 2 in here. I'm going to put this other one in a different cup just to see if one of them can get some crystals. But remember, science isn't always perfect, and fails happen in science. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll show you our finished product in just a minute. Alright, we're back with the results of our geode experiment, guys. And you're going to need some kind of scissors or knife or something to cut the string on this one that you guys are doing at home. And some paper towels or a paper plate or something to lay it down on so that you don't get the counter wet. But as you can see, we did have some crystals form on our geode, and it did turn it blue. So our science experiment was a success. You can leave the string on there, just cut it to where it falls off. And then there's our geode, and that's what yours will look like at home. But we have another one in here that we did. Let's see if it grew crystals. It actually grew more crystals than the other one, just laying it in the bottom, as you can see. So if you guys want to just lay it in the bottom, if you want to tie a string on it, however you want to do it, they both have crystals on it. So it was a success, and I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.